All right, guys. So workout for this week, we're going to add the goal in because a lot of you guys told me that you have a goal. All right, and so we're going to add finishes in. Today we're going to talk about delayed drops, okay, and we're going to talk about spin cycle finishes, okay. So first thing we're going to work on to warm up, right? We're going to work on slide finishes. And what that means is if you take the midline right here, and you're gonna be on this side of the midline, right, just outside of this side of the hoop, right. You're gonna have your left foot or the inside foot on the midline, and you're just gonna you're gonna sit down, take a baby step with it, and finish like that, right. Then you're gonna grab the ball, same thing to the other side, right. So here, it's just slide finishes, okay. And you're gonna make 10, 15, I can't remember how many I put on there of those. Then you're gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna move under the basket now. So that's from in front of the basket. Now you're gonna move under the basket, and you're gonna be kind of angled out. You can see my feet are kind of angled out a little bit, and you're gonna, again, with your inside foot, you're gonna take a baby step, come back, and finish like that. And then you're here, this foot on the midline, right? The inside foot on the midline. Just take a baby step and go finish. You're not going to be able to shoot the ball like this. It's going to have to be out and coming back, right? So you're going to do those, then you're going to go from that to, you're going to make 10 of those on each side, from in front of the basket and then from behind the backboard. Then we're going to do 90 degree turn finishes. So I just showed you as number 1. Now we're on number 2. This is a split foot 90 degree turn finish, right? And what it is, you're gonna be right here, facing that way. You're gonna take one bounce just to the other side of the midline, step into it. See how I'm facing here? I'm gonna now turn 90 degrees and finish the ball, right? I'm coming over here to the opposite lane line, right? I'm gonna take one bounce, get off 2 feet, turn and go finish. On this lane line, again, I'm here, I'm getting off 2 feet, okay? See, I'm facing here, I'm turning 90 degrees. I'm jumping off 2 feet, really more my inside foot, but I'm making it look like I'm jumping off 2. And just turning and finishing, right? So one more time, right here. Just right there. Slide to 90 degrees, right? Right there, okay? That's all it is. The last one, we're going to start at the elbow, right? So you're gonna start at this opposite elbow, and forgive me because I'm not good at these, right? You're gonna take one dribble, you're gonna go finish on the opposite side with the opposite hand. So if I'm starting from this elbow, I'm going to the opposite side, and I'm gonna finish with my left hand back and shoot the ball like this, right? Right there. I'm gonna come out. I'm gonna go to the other elbow. Okay, we'll take one dribble and finish like that. Okay, just back and forth, back and forth. We're gonna make 10 on each side. Okay, that would be number 3. Okay, that would be number 3. Elbow, opposite hand finish on the other side. So now we're gonna get into spin moves. Okay, there's different ways to spin and finish, but essentially what I want you to do when you do a spin move, okay, when you are going to finish at the basket, I want you to think about your pockets. You're wearing a pair of jeans. If the defender is in your back pocket, you're gonna get the ball away from you and finish like this. If the defender's in your side pocket, you're gonna get off 2 feet and you're gonna make a huge collision with that person, forcing the ref to call a foul and trying to draw an and one, okay? If the person, when you're driving, ever gets to your zipper from whatever angle, right? If I'm going for a left-hand layup and they cut me off, they can't be here and there, right? So you're going to spin and lay it up, okay? A couple teaching points off of this spin. Would you go to this side? Couple teaching points off of this spin. When you do this, your spin bounce, you should go to the ground to get it. So you're here, right? Your opposite foot is going in. So if I'm dribbling with my left hand, I'm gonna plant off my right foot. I'm gonna get low. My steps don't count until I pick the ball up. So as I pivot, when this foot hits the ground, now I can slap the ball, and now I can pivot on either foot, and I have one more step. And so here we're just gonna turn and shoot this layup right here, all right? So teaching points: 1, go to the ground and get it. 2, when you spin, stay low, right? Because you're gonna need your balance. So when you spin low, you'll have more balance with wide feet and a low body than you will if you try to do this. Standing upright with feet close together, right? Low, wide feet means better balance. The last part of it is you're gonna keep the ball close to your body, and your arms are gonna jerk. Your body will follow your arms. So if your arms go low, your body will go low. If your arms come up, your body will go up. Or if your arms twist like this, your body will naturally turn around, right? So you're gonna be here, it's gonna look like this. And you're gonna finish. That is the basic part to what I call the spin cycle. Now, that's the only part we're talking about today, because there's tons of moves that come off this. You can go here, up and under, right? You go here, spin back, right? You can fake the spin, do a jumper, right? You can fake the spin, fake the shot, the layup. There's just a ton of stuff that comes off of this spin cycle. We're gonna learn the basic part of it. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go 10 from the right, 10 from the left, okay? This is number number 4. It's a 1 bounce spin finish. 15 to the right, 15 to the left, okay? So from the right side, you're coming in with your left hand, okay? Just 1 bounce. Get kind of close to the midline, far away from the basket. You should be able to do this move from the free throw line and shoot a layup if you want to, right? Far away from the basket, it's 1 bounce, a spin, and a layup. So it's gonna look like this. Right there, okay? That's all it is. You're just gonna do it again 15 times. Bring it back. Just like that, 15 times to the right, 15 times to the left. So from the left, you're going towards the right with your right hand, right? Your left foot's gonna plant as you're going to shoot a layup on the right-hand side. 1 bounce, spin back, lay it up. It's gonna look like this. A lot of you guys do this. You don't realize that you have another step, and you do this. And you lay it up, and you still have another step to take if you want it, right? There's a time and a place to do that type of spin where you jump off 1 foot. It's a really hard skill. It's really hard to stay on balance, but it can be good tight at the rim. That's not what we're talking about today. Today we're talking about a full spin, right? So 1 bounce, right hand going to the right hand, left foot, turn the ball. When your right foot sticks to the ground, slap the ball, pivot around, jump. Okay? 15 on this side. Just like that. Okay? That was number 4. For number 5, we're gonna go distance spin finishes. So I wanna see how far you can move, and you wanna play with how far you can do this move out, right? Some of you will be able to get a layup from 10 feet. Some of you will be able to get a layup from 15 feet, but you need to know what your range is on this move, because some of you, if you can get to 15 feet, you can shoot a layup if they overplay you, right? Some of you guys, when you get to about the foul line, if you can get to this move, you can get to the rim and shoot a layup. Some of you guys are going to need to be closer, but this is kind of going to be finding out your range. So you're going to start over here on the wing, and you're going to find a place. You're going to be coming hard. You're going to find a place on the lane line to plant. If you're going with your left hand, you're going to plant your right foot to spin and try to go shoot a layup, right? And so I want you trying to get as much distance as you can. So you're probably not going to be able to shoot this type of layup. It's going to be that type of layup when you're stretching out for it. Teaching point. If you are stretching out this way to shoot the layup, something has to be left behind. You can't do this, right? When you go to stretch out like this, something is going to have to come out behind you. It's just physics, right? For you to be able to lean like that. So keep that in mind, right? But I want you guys trying to do this move and shoot a layup from as far up the lane line as you can. So if you can get it from the elbow, right? I want you to step on the elbow. But I want you to play with it. 15 on the right, 15 on the left. Okay, this is number 5. Distance spin layups, right? So I want you to play with and find what your range is, and when you find it, try to increase it. If you're going from, the third tick on the lane line up, try to move out to the 4th. Okay, you're trying to be able to pop this move off from as far away from the rim as you can. So 1 bounce, 2 bounce, I don't care. Right? Some of you guys might be able to do it from above the elbow. Who knows, right? Play with it. You're going to do it from the right and then also from the left 15 times. That is number 5. And we're going to stop this video right here and start the next one. The next one will pick up with number 6, delay drives. Delay drives.